From Creamer Media in Johannesburg, this is the Real Economy Report. Artificial intelligence models and tools are helping companies and their staff to complete work more easily while leveraging lots of data, and the tools also help companies to better serve their customers. One of the enablers to drive the use and benefits from AI is access to AI tools. Skalkberger has the story.
During a seminar on how businesses should use their data to provide context for AI tools, Microsoft Developer Community VP Scott Hanselman demonstrated how smaller AI tools can be used on consumer devices. This increases the ability of businesses to access and use these tools. This enables the use of AI tools by smaller organizations and at a more cost-effective price point for their needs.
This is happening on a local machine. We're doing this entirely local, entirely privately, very, very low power. Now, it's generating nonsense. Well, actually, no, I did get a job at Nando's. But it's not just about generating, it's also about summarizing. It's about sentiment analysis. Why go out to the giant cloud system if you can do that work locally? If that work locally doesn't work, then you graduate or you fall back to that one in the cloud. That keeps your data private. You notice how that NPU did its work, and then it stopped. All of that happened locally here, which means I can do AI work in airplane mode. Now this is a top-of-the-line, fabulous new Copilot PC. I love it. It's the best PC I've ever owned, but it's worth calling out that not everyone has a fancy PC like that. Some of us have phones. So let me switch over to my phone here. This is my personal phone. And I'm gonna actually do something a little bit weird. I'm gonna switch it to airplane mode, turn off all the data, because I don't have a lot of data right now. I haven't reloaded this, because I was fighting with a call center worker earlier to try to get more data, and they were super helpful, but I still didn't get my satisfaction. And I'm gonna load up the Microsoft open source Phi model on my phone. I'm in Johannesburg and I'm interested in learning Python, period. However, I've ran out of data and I'm on this bus for the next few hours, period. Can you teach me Python while I take the bus? This is running on my phone. This is powerful. You need to understand that not everything is a giant cloud model. Some things can happen on small models, and this is really, really interesting. I don't want to just have a relationship where the AI tells me to do stuff or it does stuff for me. I want it to be a tutor. I want to talk to it, and I want to basically have an infinitely patient tutor that I can vibe with. Now, this is not going to be as powerful as a small, medium, or very large language model, but you can see here that in airplane mode, it is generating perfectly reasonable information, and I can now start having a conversation with this local model.
That's Creamer Media's Real Economy Report. Join us again next week for more news and insight into South Africa's real economy. And don't forget to listen to the audio version of our Engineering News daily email newsletter.